Today's at-home workout with your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is a 15-minute cardio low impact. So we've got 15 moves, no repeaters, no jumping, no squats, no lunges. You're going to love it. But what we're going to do, we're going to first of all start with a very quick little warm-up. So for this, just follow along. The first move, we're just going to do 10 of these side steps. So just go from one side to the other. So it's a little step, give me a little bend and just bend through with the arms as well. And it's just going to help to slowly increase your core body temperature. Now arms in front, draw those arms back and just give me that little bend. So we're now warming up through the hamstrings, working through the upper body as well. And now just reach across from one side to the other. And as I always say, if you don't want me coaching you, remember you can always hit the mute button and play your favorite music. All right, well done. So we are now ready to do your workout, and I'm just going to give you a preview of the first move. So just watch. So you're going to be in a split stance, and we're just driving that knee up, and then you step that foot back, and you keep repeating the same leg and draw the arms across. So come into position, arms out to your side, and draw that knee up, and just keep repeating same leg. So on the left is your timer bar that represents 45 seconds. On the right is your 15-minute countdown clock. So this is exercise snack 1. We've got 15 today, so they're all different. And this one here is amazing to really work you cardiovascularly. It's great for your balance, also really good for your abs. Let's just change halfway through. So now take that to the opposite leg. And this one here is a really lovely exercise. And what I want to do today is do a 15-minute workout with you, but also show you 15 different ideas of moves that you could do at any time throughout the day if you want a quick little exercise snack. That's good, and keeping that going. All right, well done. So just take a deep breath in, deep breath out. You've got 15 seconds recovery, and we can just have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're standing nice and tall. We're just going to do a knee lift and an underarm clap. So again, 45 seconds, and this is exercise snack 2. So this great example, if you find later on you're waiting for the kettle to boil, why not do 60 seconds of this move? Benefit here with this, it's going to help with your mobility, it's great for your balance, also amazing for your core, works your legs, works your arms. It's a really lovely low impact move. Let's just keep going. So we're well over halfway on this exercise. And again, just keep nice and tall and just work through that full range of motion. Think of all the different joints you're working now. That's good. Keeping that going. All the way the arrow reaches the top. Well done. All right, so just march it out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's just have a look at your next move coming up. So for the next one, we're just going to do a lateral step out, and then you're just going to reach your hand down towards the ground. So you just step the foot out and just point the hand down towards the ground. And this one here, what we're doing, because we're using your body in a lateral motion, we're working a little bit more through your inner and outer thighs. So again, this one we call exercise snack 3. Another good example. So this one you could do perhaps while the adverts come on TV when you're at home. All right, that's good. So we can jump off the sofa and just move more. And that's my mission as your qualified online trainer, is just to make exercise really accessible, make it fun. It's just about moving our body and keeping that going. That's good. And just tapping that foot out from one side to the other. And well done. All right, again, deep breath out, deep breath in. And then let's just have a look at the next move coming up. So this one is, we're just going to extend both arms up to the ceiling and tapping the foot back at the same time. So we just get ready, tap the foot behind, arms up. And the great thing is with these exercises, you don't always have to be doing the jumping. If you don't like high impact, you never have to do high impact. This is what I refer to as a low impact, but it's still a high intensity move. We're still going to get your heart rate up, so you don't always have to do the jump. These are super effective. You're burning calories, you're getting stronger, you're toning up. We're doing everything we need. And that's good. And we're reaching it up. And because we're taking the arms above heart level is how we're increasing that intensity. That's how we're making it a little bit harder. And we're making our arms stronger, and we're looking after our joint health at the same time.
And well done. All right, just release those arms, just give them a little shake out for me so we can see. Next move coming up. This one here, really lovely one for the upper body. We're just going to do these little toe taps in front, and then we'll do crossover arms. Tap the foot in front, cross over the arms, and just lifting the arms a little bit higher, and then you slowly lift them down and just keep alternating. So this, again, another example of an exercise snack, and that's good. Keep that moving. And you can also, while you're doing this, move around your room, depending on how much space you've got. Lift those arms up higher and then slowly bring them back down. And quite a fun thing to do is really now, just while you're doing this, have a little think for me and think, what joints are you working? I'm going to tell you in a second, but just see if you can think how many different joints. Well, you're working your ankle joint, your knee joint, your hip joint, and your shoulder joints here. All right, that's good. And just shake out those arms. Let's have a little look at your next move coming up. So another full body one. This one, we're going to punch up to the ceiling, alternating arms with a little hamstring curl at the same time. And the other good thing, it's really good for your coordination. But if you want to also really understand about the science behind exercise snacks, I've got a blog on this on my website. I'll leave a link at the end of the video and also in the description, so you can click on it and just read it. And there are some suggestions also of other different exercise snacks you can do. But it's a really fun way to just move more throughout the day. And let's just keep going. So punch your arm up. Good. And just give me that little hamstring curl, doing really well. Keeping that going, keep that focused, and just keep thinking what you're doing right now. You're investing in your future health. All right, well done. Let's just shake those arms out, tap that foot in front, and just have a look at your next move. So this one here, we've got a long arm pull down. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap that foot in front, but you're going to draw those arms all the way down. That's good, and just keep that going. We've got lots of princesses walking in and out. I think that's Princess Raisin. So this one here is exercise snack 7. So we're nearly halfway through this workout, and it's just showing you so many different ways that you can move your body. And interestingly enough, exercise snacks is a concept that was spoken about first all the way back in 2007 at a university in, I think it was Canada, by Dr. Courter, who realised how just doing short little bursts of exercise was a really effective way to look after our health. So let's just keep going, draw those arms down, tap that foot in front, doing really well. All right, so let's just march out and let's have a look at your next move coming up. So for your next one, we're going to do this, a knee crunch. So here, this one is great for those abdominals. Just take the arms up and we're just going to drive the knee up, and you take it opposite elbow to knee. So benefit here with this, we're working through your entire midsection. We're activating your internal and external obliques. We're working your deepest core muscle known as your transverse abdominis. Plus we're still working cardiovascularly, and we're also working through the legs and your arms. So let's just keep that focus, doing really well. Upper body stays nice and tall for me. And the great thing is you can again walk around the room doing this. If you want to do it faster, you can do it faster, but also equally doing it really slow in a controlled manner can be just as challenging. So doing really well. Let's keep going. So we've completed those 45 seconds on there. Well done. And just march out and just tap that foot from one side to the other. And we'll have a look at your next move. So this is a fun one. We're going to do a lateral side step, and we're going to do an arm pull down. So we're going to get ready, step it to the side, and now pull down those arms and give me a little bit of a bend at the same time. So if you want to make it a little bit harder, just bend that a little bit lower, so it's a bit like you're coming into a side squat. And do come and find me also on Instagram, and just tag me if you're ever doing the workouts, and also just let me know how you're getting on with your results. Good. So again, another low impact but full body move. So, and also here, let's just work out how many joints. You're working your shoulder joint, even elbow joint, hip joint, knee joint, and ankle joint. That's good. And the more joints you work simply means the more muscles you are working. So deep breath in, deep breath out. So next move, one of my personal favorites, simply the skater's lunge. So this makes a perfect exercise cardio snap. So if you find you've got a spare 60 seconds, you're waiting for the washing machine to finish, just do this one. This is a great move. And again here, it's a bit of a multi-directional move because we're kind of pushing forwards, but we're stepping out to the side as well. And like with any exercise, you can make it more intense by making the move deeper. So step that foot further back if you want to, reach those arms further across. And this one here, muscle groups that you're working, which is really good for, it's really lovely for working and shaping through the waist, working through the legs, and even through those arms. All right, let's keep going. So we are flying through this workout today, and also learning about 15 different moves that we can do as little cardio snacks. So let's have a look at your next move coming up. So again, we're going back to doing a side step, and we're just doing what we call a Peck deck. So this arms up, so we're working your pectorals major, known as your chest muscle. So squeeze those arms in. That's good. And back. So this is really lovely to work through the shoulders and chest as well as your arms. And if you want to, you could do this so you're doing 2 side steps if your room is longer and bigger. And again, just walk around the room. You don't have to stay on the same spot. You can just move around. Just try and keep those elbows at shoulder height, doing really well. Let's keep focused, keep strong. That's good. And keep moving. That's good. From one side to the other, keeping that upper body straight. And then just, well done, just release those arms, and let's just have a look at the next move. So this one, we're going to do a straight leg kick, and then we do a knee drive, so alternating each leg. So this is really good for coordination as well. So let's get ready and just give me that straight leg kick, and now knee drive, straight leg kick, knee drive, knee drive. And this is exercise snack 12, so we've just got 3 more to go after this. And really remember, if there's one move that you really like, have that always as your go-to exercise snack, and keeping that going. And it might be that just first thing in the morning, the first thing you do is just your favorite cardio move, just for 60 seconds. Think about it like this: you've then taken control of your health first thing in the morning just by moving. All right, that's good. Let's keep that going. Keep that upper body nice and straight for me. You're doing really well. Give me that kick in front, and then give me that knee drive. And just release. All right, just shake out those arms, and let's just have a look at your next move coming up. So another lateral move, but this time we're just going to do a reach above. So we're taking the arms out and doing a little crossover at the top. So up and over. And this one here, really lovely to now be working a little bit more into your back. We're really activating what we call the latissimus dorsi, big muscles either side of your back. And this one here, again, lovely for the shoulders. We're also working through the glutes, working your inner and outer thighs, abductors and adductors. So just keeping that going. And you can see that these moves, again, they're low impact but high intensity. So these are great full body, they're great calorie burners. So if you are someone who is looking for weight loss just to be in your healthy range, remember we're not doing this to look a certain way, it's just for health, then these exercises are going to be perfect. Okay, well done, and just march it out. So we've nearly finished today. Let's just keep going. So we're going to have some fun with the next move. We're going to have a little visualization with this as well. So what I want you to do is think you're stepping under a fence. So we're going to we're going to punch first, and now step under that fence and punch. Step under and punch for 4. Step under and punch for 4. And also, if you are here on a weight loss journey, I do have lots of free healthy recipes on my website, on my blog page, so do have a look there. So power punches, step low. Power punches, that's good, and step low. We want to make exercise fun, and what I want to do as your qualified trainer is just make it easy so you can do these at home. And this is low impact, so you could do it in your pajamas, let's be honest. And let's just keep going. Power punches and step low. That's good. All the workouts I ever do are only my workouts. I do them at home, and normally, I have to be honest, in my pajamas with the cats running around. All right, that's good. So let's just keep going. So next move, which is our final move, is this one, which is a lovely full body calorie burning move. So this one, imagine we are now cross country skiing. I do this in a lot of my workouts, but it is super effective. This is our exercise snack 15. So really swing those arms up. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can add that little really bend in as you transfer from one leg to the other. All right, that's it. Keeping that going. So we've nearly finished today's workout, and this was a 15-minute low impact workout, but also highlighting these different cardio snacks that you can do. And if you come back to it a second time, put on your favorite music, because you know the moves that we're doing. That is Princess Sultana, I think. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. One side to the other, stepping that across. And well done. So just what I want you to do, we're going to keep moving. We want to get that heart rate back down, and we want to complete our full 15 minutes. And you can see on the right hand clock there, we are nearly finished. So just keep going. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. So now let's really bring that heart rate back down, and really well done for today.
So well done, there is your high five. Now, as always, you've got two options. If you want to do a little bit of toning, click up there for my 5-minute playlist. If you are finished for today, click here, or in the description, you'll find my cool down stretch. And really well done. Remember, what you and I have done today is invested in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.